If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you. Cortisol and related steroids are frequently used as anti-inflammatory agents when all other treatments have failed. This podcast will focus on the mechanism biochemically of action of cortisol and how it can be an effective anti-inflammatory treatment. Cortisol is considered a potent anti-inflammatory treatment because it inhibits the release of important pro-inflammatory molecules from the cell membrane. This pro-inflammatory molecule is the fatty acid arachidonic acid. Arachidonic acid is the precursor of three classes of molecules known as collectively as the eicosanoids. The eicosanoids are prostaglandins, leukotrienes, and thromboxanes. All three molecules are important in playing specific roles in either inflammation or hypersensitivity, as well as platelet aggregation and vasodilation, vasoconstriction. Cortisol inhibits the release of arachidonic acid from cell membranes by inhibiting a specific enzyme called phoslpholipase A2. This enzyme is responsible for the release of arachidonic acid from specific membrane phospholipids. When phospholipase A2 is inhibited by cortisol, the release of arachidonic acid from membrane phospholipids is stopped or inhibited. And arachidonic acid being the precursor of all eicosanoids mentioned earlier, and its lack of availability prevents the synthesis of all three classes of eicosanoids: prostaglandins, thromboxane, and leukotrienes. Frequently, cortisol or related steroids, pharmaceutically synthesized steroids, are used as an anti-inflammatory last-ditch effort when other anti-inflammatory strategies like the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs fail. The principle behind the use of corticosteroids or cortisol as an anti-inflammatory agent is to deplete the precursor of all these inflammatory molecules collectively called the eicosanoids. If you deplete arachidonic acid, which is the immediate precursor of all these eicosanoids, you will prevent the synthesis of these pro-inflammatory molecules and therefore reduce some of the symptoms of inflammation. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.